life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything.
Today, I'm bringing to you a delicious twist on my classic shawarma. We are marinating beef in a tangy yogurt mixture and using pineapple as the shawarma stand. Perfectly cooked in the air fryer. It's fun, flavorful, and super easy. Hey guys, welcome back to another delicious food recipe. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always returning. It's your girl Eko Jane here. So let's get started.
Change my mindset, meditate.
First, let's prepare our marinade. In a bowl, for this mixture, we'll be needing 1 cup of plain yogurt, parsley leaf, onion, garlic, ginger, curry, thyme, salt, and seasoning. Then we'll also be needing our roti bread, veggies, and sauce for spreading on the bread.
I'm okay, living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no.
We'll marinate our beef using yogurt. It not only tenderizes the beef, but adds a creamy texture to it. So we're gonna blend our ginger, parsley leaf, onion, garlic, and curry together. Then we'll also add some seasoning, salt to taste. Add everything, mix everything together. Then we add our beef strips to the bowl and coat them evenly. Let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours to absorb all these beautiful flavors. Overnight works even better. While the beef marinates, let's get our pineapple shawarma stand ready. We are going to use this juicy pineapple slice as a base to hold our beef. It will add a hint of sweetness and caramelize beautifully in the air fryer. Afterwards, you preheat your air fryer to 180 degrees. Then knead the marinated beef onto a skewer and
Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain.
by placing pineapple chunks at the bottom as the base to hold them up.
Sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be me.
Once the beef is ready, we'll skewer it onto the pineapple slice. This will hold everything together and give your shawarma a sweet and tangy flavor.
I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today.
Then we'll pop everything into the air fryer and cook for about 180 degrees. I'm using foil paper to wrap around my shawarma beef so as to keep the juice in it and leave it tender because I don't want it dry. I don't like dry shawarma. I want it juicy. So that is where this foil paper comes into play, to keep everything juicy and tender without drying it up. I cook this slowly for about 30 to an hour so that it can cook very well, because you know it's raw beef, so it's gonna take a while to cook. So I did that. I checked it at intervals. Now our shawarma is ready. Look at that. The beef is so juicy and tender with a perfect hint of char. Now it's time to get our shawarma wrap out and get all my toppings together. So now my beef is ready. I removed it from my whisker and placed it and cut it in bite piece. Then I went in with my mayonnaise and my fried pepper sauce and mix everything together. Spread it around my bread, around the wrap, before adding my toppings like cabbage, green beans, red and yellow pepper. You can add more things if you want. I added in a little bit of soya pepper because I want it really spicy, and went in with a little bit of salad cream to keep it juicy because I want it very juicy. Then I rolled everything up, wrapped it with a foil paper and toasted it in my trusted toaster for it to warm up and have a little bit of crunch to the bread. And there you have it. And there you have it. Beef shawarma with a tropical twist. This is amazing. The yogurt marinates the beef so tender, and the pineapple added a delightful sweetness to it. I hope you try out this fun twist on shawarma, which is perfect for every meal. It's absolutely delicious. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and let me know how your shawarma turned out in the comments below if you try it. See you in another video for more unique recipes. Bye. Bye.